Hi, today let's make super crispy, super tasty Mangalore style prawn rava fry. Here I've taken cleaned, washed, deveined prawns. Let's marinate with some salt. Here I've added in Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder. Next I'll be squeezing in some lemon juice. I'll be adding in ginger garlic paste and then some pepper powder and marinate it really very well. Now you can make this marination and keep it in the fridge, and whenever you want, you can fry it over the weekends if you want to prep it, and you can do that. See, this is how the prawns has been marinated. There's no added color, anything. It has been beautifully marinated. Now, in a bowl for the frying, I've added in rava or semolina along with some rice flour. Rice flour tends to make the prawns fry crispy, golden. So that's the reason we are adding rice flour. Now I've coated the prawns beautifully with the rava and rice flour, and then you need to deep fry it. Prawn doesn't take a long time to cook. Around 4 to 5 minutes it's absolutely enough for a prawns to be beautifully cooked and crispy and nice. See, this is how it looks beautifully cooked, crispy and ready to serve. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and